Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just give something special things about this stock. These stocks trade at this moment $522 and these stocks give today's return 3% negative. In the last 5 days these stocks give more than 4% negative return. These stocks lose 4% market valuation. In the last 1 month these stocks lose 9% market valuation. In the last 6 months these stocks lose approximately positive return. Okay, these stocks not make lose, these stocks make gain, 53% gain. That is good return. And last year to date these stocks gain market valuation 94%. And last 1 year these stocks make how much return? 183% gain these stocks. Okay, in the last 1 years. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. Here you can see in the last 5 years these stocks make 300% gain. In the last whole return these stocks make how much return? Here you can see. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below. Okay, if someone invest only $1,000, his money will become how much? Here you can see, if you invest $1,000 your money will become 30 lakh. Okay, here you can see 30 lakh dollar. So always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.